So, as long as you never mention my name, it don't matter. Everything should be cool.
No, I didn't. But I find it strange that you mentioned the minister.
Him just a gaslight you, man. No worry yourself. Him knows about after him.
Why, something right about the agency doing, Things were just too in order, too perfect.
So, you don't see nothing about no sleeper program at all?
No, just an undercover police program, and all records are clean and up to date.
All of them?
From site evaluation to medical, everything.
So, will you be coming by?
You talk to Marcus about this?
Mr. Wallace, my weekends belong to me. So helping with community projects shouldn't be an issue.
So, we can just come here and discuss housing projects with you.
But I don't expect you to be that blatant.
Silly. We don't really want nothing. I'm not running with Marcus name. He's a very jealous man.
You say Raymond Savage file?
Yes, clean and decorated.
Clean and decorated.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to start an investigation with him. I know a couple things about him. He's going to be my lead person in bringing down this agency.
Okay, we'll do, but sir,
Mm-hmm.
it's too cool and composed. And if he's the man I've been hearing about, then you should expect him to make a move.
I'm prepared for him, don't worry about that. He pride himself as a master chess player. His downfall is going to be underestimating his opponent. Me.
You're going off, sir. This man.
John, listen to me, man. No weaknesses. You're on the winning team. Now, may I go up to Kingston, Jericho, watch a couple of the races them. Come join us for a drink, man.
Alright, I'll try. Can't make any promises. Swamp could work.
Brother, the work is going to be there after. Just come up and have a drink with me, man, and I'll see you when you reach.
Alright. We'll try.
Alright, look more. Mullins, where you out?
I work for your brother. We are not.
I'm not suggesting that you are, but me know how Marcus stay very territorial about him people them.
Well, make the visit seem like a casual one. Then we can discuss the way moving forward.
So, why we can't do this or discuss this over the phone?
We can. However, I prefer the person-to-person communication. That's all.
Okay.
So, see you soon.
Okay.
Okay. All right. No problem. All right, so.
What a really idea. No, Carlton. Leave it alone.